Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. Today I am going to make a video on the GIMP software. So that is this GNU image manipulation program. So using this software we can do the background removal thing. So suppose we have generated lot of images from different softwares, but we have the background as a white color. Sometimes we need to give the background to some color that we want. So for that, first we need to remove that background to a transparent background, then we can add the color as well. So here I'm going to open the file that is present on my desktop. So here I have opened this structure, and this is the image, and the format for this is TGA format. I think I have opened. So here first what to do, so here there first right click over here on the right side, there is and here you can right click, and there is an option like add alpha channel. So I am clicking on this. Now I will click over here. You see that one alpha channel is created. Now after this creation I am going to press simply the delete option. Now you see the inside part become transparent, and now I am clicking the same here, and then again pressing delete option. You see that the entire background is now transparent, only we are left with the molecule. Let's save this. So I am going to save this as transparent PNG. So let's save it, export. So let's check that over here. Yes, you see that you see the changes now. Actually here we can't see. Rather, if you want, you can see over here. Here I have that image with background as white color, and here without background. So you see that exactly only the molecule is reflecting over here, and that background is not coming. So this way we can we can give a transparent background to the molecule. So any image file you want to have a transparent background, you can select that and you can remove that like this. So this much for today's video only, and thank you all.